Functions Lecture 3.
Hi, hello everyone. Today we will discuss the sum proofs in functions. So how to find number of functions, number of one functions and number of onto functions from set A to set B. So here, first one, number of functions from set A to set B. See here, first one, proof. So for example, A is the set and B is another set. So there exists a relation F from A to B. So here both are non-empty sets. See here, for example, in A it has the elements 1, 2, 3, 4 and B has the elements sum A, B, C. Then here you want to find number of functions from set A to set B. See here, so what is the function? So function means every element in A is mapped to unique element in B. So then only F is said to be a function. So see here 1 is mapped to either A or B or C. So clearly 1 having 3 chances, 3. So next 2 also having 3 chances, that is 2 is mapped to A or 2 is mapped to B or 2 is mapped to C. So 2 also having 3 chances. And next 3 also having 3 chances. 3 is mapped to A, B or C. So 3 chances. So similarly 4 also having how many chances? 3 chances. So total number of functions are what? Total 3 power functions are possible from set A to set B. See here, for example, this is set A and this is set B. So there exists a relation F. Suppose A has the elements 1, 2, 3 and so on, n elements. B has 1, 2, 3 and so on, m elements. See here, number of elements in A is n and number of elements in B is m. See here, number of elements in A, how many elements? Total n elements. And number of elements in B is what? M elements. See here, 1 is mapped to either 1 or 2 or 3 or and so on, m. So clearly 1 is mapped to total m possibilities, that is 1, 2, 3 and so on. So clearly write as m. So total m chances. And 2 also mapped to either 1 or 2 or m. So clearly 2 also how many chances? M chances. And 3 also m chances. And so on m. Here n times. Then clearly this can be written as m to the power of n. Here m is the number of elements in B and n is the number of elements in what? A. So therefore, here number of functions from set A to set B is number of elements in B whole to the power of number of elements in A. So this is the formula of number of functions from set A to set B. Second one, so proof of 2. So here number of one function from set A to set B. See here, for example, number of elements in A is 4 and number of elements in B is 4. Okay. Suppose A has the elements 1, 2, 3, 4 and B has the element A, B, C, D. So there exists a relation F between two sets. So one function means different elements in A have different images in B. See here, 1 is mapped to either A or B or C or D. Okay. So clearly one having how many chances? 4 chances. So write 4. So out of 4, 1 is mapped. Okay. So for example, A is mapped with A. So remaining elements are what? B, C, D. So clearly 3 elements here. Here 1 is mapped to some A. Here also 3 elements left, that are 2, 3, 4. Here 2 is mapped to either B or C or D. So clearly chances of 2 is 3 chances. So write into 3. Next, out of 3, 1 is mapped. For example, C is mapped. Suppose 2 is mapped to C. And the remaining elements are B and D. And 3 is mapped to either B or D. So clearly chances of 3 is how many? 2 chances. So write into 2. So for example, 3 is mapped to D. So clearly here only one element left, only 1 chances for 4. So clearly this is right as 4 factorial. Okay. So clearly it is 4 factorial. It is divided by, can I write 0 factorial? So because of 1 write as 0 factorial. Now again this is 4 factorial. So divide by, this is 4 minus 4 factorial. So this can be written as simply 4p4. See here, this is number of elements in B. This is number of elements in A. So clearly here number of elements in A equals to number of elements in B. So right here number of elements in A is equals to number of elements in B. So for example, n of A is less than n of B. Means number of elements in A is less than number of elements in B. So see that cases. So see here, these are two non-empty sets. There exists a relation F. So for example, in set A, 1, 2, 3. In set B, A, B, C, D. So for one function, different elements in A have the different images in B. See here, 1 is mapped to either A or B or C or D. So clearly chances of 1 is 4 chances. So here 1 is mapped. For example, B is mapped with 1. And remaining elements are 3. And here 2 is mapped to either A or C or D. So clearly chances of 2 is how many? 3 chances. So for example, 2 is mapped with A. So here 2 elements left, that are C and D. And here 3 is mapped to either C or D. So clearly chance of 3 is 2. So here into 1 factorial by 1 factorial. Simply this is right as 4 factorial by 4 minus 3 factorial. So this is right as 4p3. Okay. So if n of A is less than n of B, then number of 1 functions are what? 4p3. So from these two cases, you can write number of 1 functions from set A to set B is n of B, P, n of A. Here condition is n of A is less than or equal to n of B. This is the first thing. Here, if n of A is greater than n of B, number of elements in A is greater than number of elements in B. So for example, set A has the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, and set B has the elements some A, B, C. So clearly number of elements in A is greater than number of elements in B. So there exists a relation F. So here 1 is mapped to either A or B or C. So clearly chance of 1 is 3 chances. So for example, C is mapped with 1. So total 2 elements left. Here chance of 2 is what? Either 2 is mapped to A or 2 is mapped to B. So clearly chance of 2 is 2. So for example, A is mapped with 2. So here 1 element left. And chance of 3 is, here 3 is mapped to B only. So chance of 3 is 1. But here chance of 4, 0 only. No? So clearly in this case, number of 1 functions is 0 because of 4 is not mapped with any element in B. So for example, 4 is mapped with C. This is a function but not 1 1. So 1 1 means different elements in A have different images in B. So this case is not possible, means the number of 1 1 function is 0. So right here, so number of 1 1 functions 0 if n of A is greater than n of B. The last one, number of onto functions from set A to set B. See here, in this first one, if n of A is equals to n and n of B is equals to 2, here n is always greater than or equals to 2. So number of elements in A is n, number of elements in B is 2. So in this case, you want to find the number of onto functions from set A to set B. So for example, set A has the elements 1, 2, 3, 4. Set B has the elements A, B, here 2 only. No? So there exists a relation F. Okay. So here you want to find a number of onto functions. So here number of functions. See here, first you find number of functions. Chance of 1, either A or B, and chance of 2, either A or B, and 3, 4 also either A or B. So clearly number of functions is what? N of B whole to the power of n of A. So number of elements in B is 2 and the number of elements in A is 4. So total number of functions are 2 power 4. So these are the number of functions. Now here you find a number of onto functions. So onto functions means each and every element in B has at least one preimage in A. So in that case only F is onto, otherwise F is into function. Not onto means into function. So here 2 chances. So right here first chance A, B, relation is F. 1, 2, 3, 4, A, B. Here all elements are mapped to A. This is function but not onto because of B is not having any preimage. So here one chance, this is not onto, and another chance is A, B, relation is F, 1, 2, 3, 4, here A, B. In this case all elements are mapped to B. So this is also a not onto. So this one more chance, not onto. So here also not onto. Okay. So these are into functions. So remove these two from the functions. You get a number of onto functions. So therefore number of onto functions is equals to 2 power 4 minus 2. This is 4 is what? Number of elements in A. So this is simply write as 2 power number of elements in A minus 2. So this is the formula for number of onto functions from set A to set B. So next second case, if number of elements in A is equals to R and number of elements in B is equal to N. Now you have to find the number of onto functions from A to B. So for example, number of elements in A is 4 and here n is greater than or equals to 2 and number of elements in B is 3. Okay. Now find number of onto functions. See here, set A has the elements 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of elements in A 4 and number of elements in B is how many? 3. So here A, B, C. So this is the set B. Relation is F. So first to find total number of functions. So right here, total number of functions. So that is what? N of B whole to the power of N of A. That is 3 power 4. Okay. So here, so first case is, so out of 3 elements, you can select any one element. Suppose out of 3, you can select one, write as 3C1. So for example, you can select C. Now, number of functions are what? 1 is mapped to A or B. 2 chances, 2 also 2 chances, 3 also 2 chances, 4 also 2 chances. So clearly this can be written as 2 power 4 chances. Okay. So these are not onto because of 1 is mapped to A or B and 2 is mapped to A or B. So these are not onto functions. Okay. Next second case. See here second case, out of 3 you can select any 2. Okay. So for example, select these 2. So that can be written as 3C2. So here only one element left. Here 1 is mapped to A, 2 is mapped to A, 3 is mapped to A, 4 is mapped to A. So clearly one chance, that is 1 power 4. In first case, 1 is mapped to A or 1 is mapped to B or 1 is mapped to. See here, 1 is mapped to A, 1 comma B and 1 comma C. I am writing chances of 1. If you select C, remaining elements are A and B. Here 1 is mapped to A or 1 is mapped to B. So right here, 1 is mapped to A or 1 is mapped to B. So clearly this is repeating now 1 comma A, 1 comma A. So you have to remove 3C1 2 power 4 from this. So write as 3 power 4 minus 3C1 2 to the power of 4. Now in third case, you can select any 2. Now one element left, that is 1 is mapped to A. Here also 1 is mapped to A. So again 1 comma A is repeated. So remove this from this. So that is minus 3C2 1 to the power of 4. So clearly this is what we have to delete number of not onto functions from the number of functions. So that is what number of onto functions. So this can be written as number of onto functions is equals to 3 power 4 minus 3C1 2 to the power of 4 minus into minus plus 3C2 1 to the power of 4. So this is the formula. So for example, number of elements in A is equal to 6 and the number of elements in B is equal to 4. Okay. So right here, A is the set and B is another set. So relation is F. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here A, B, C, D. So here first total number of functions. That is what? N of B whole to the power of N of A. So simply number of elements in B is 4, number of elements in A is 6. So that is 4 power 6. Now in sub cases. So out of 4 elements you can select any one. If you select C, okay, so that can be written as 4C1. So remaining elements are A, B, D. So in that case the number of functions are what? One is mapped to A, one is mapped to B, one is mapped to D. So 3 chances up to 1, 3 chances. So simply write as 3 power 6. In second case, you can select any two, for example C and D. So that is 4C2. So clearly number of functions, that is 2 power 6. And you can select 3. So that is third case, that is 4C3. Remaining element is 1. So write 1 power 6. So this is write as 4C1, 4 minus 1 power 6. This is 4C2, 4 minus 2 power 6. This is 4C3, 4 minus 3 power 6. Now this can be written as number of onto functions is 4 power 6 minus this one 4C1, 4 minus 1 power 6. So minus this one 4C2, 4 minus 2 power 6 minus this one 4C3, 4 minus 3 power 6. Number of elements in A is R, number of elements in B is N. So clearly this is what? N, that is number of elements in B. So simply this can be written as, so we can generalize this formula as N power 6 is what? Or N power R minus, this is NC1. This can be written as N minus 1 whole to the power of R. So next, minus into minus plus NC2, N minus 2 power 6 and so on. So this is the formula for finding the number of onto functions from set A to set B. So see the third case. If N of A is less than N of B. So for example, A has the set, it has the elements 1, 2, and B has the set, it has the elements A, B, C. So relation is F. Onto function means each and every element in B has at least one preimage in A. But here number of elements in A is 2, but number of elements in B is 3. So clearly chance of both 1 and 2 are 2 chances only at a time. So because of 1 is mapped to A, 2 is mapped to B, or 1 is mapped to B, 2 is mapped to C. So clearly from this only 2 elements are mapped in all situations. Either 1 is mapped or 2 is mapped in all situations. But 3 is not mapped at a time because of number of elements in A is 2. If 3 is mapped, in that case that is not a function. See here that case 1 is mapped to A, 2 is mapped to B. If C also having preimage, so for example C is having a preimage 2. So in that case it is not a function. So it is not a function. a function. So clear, it is not onto also. Okay. For next session we will discuss the problems.